Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Gemini, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, Gemini, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with these cards here, guys. So we have Justice in reverse, Chariot in reverse, and King of Pentacles. So Gemini, you are someone really skilled and talented, and you are a very successful person in a good position. Maybe you are holding an important job and you are a team manager, a team leader, or a manager, someone in an important job today. So people come to you, they respect your suggestions and they expect you to give them ideas and suggestions, guys, maybe. And they see you as a successful person, talented and skilled. And even in this relationship, this person sees you as a very good person, kind, compassionate, loving, and talented, skilled. And for some of you guys, in your relationship, maybe you are someone who has certain ideals for yourself, and rules. You go by that. Maybe the people you are with, maybe in this relationship, this person you love, they may feel that you are too rigid or stubborn, holding on to certain ideals and beliefs, not willing to change, and they may feel that it is quite difficult for them to sever your ideas, to lead your life in a perfect way. That may, though they love you a lot, that is making them feel that you are quite stubborn, not willing to change for them or for this love. So sometimes if you want a deep meaningful connection, guys, you need to respect and listen to the other person also sometimes, and see what they are telling you or what they want you to do. Sometimes you need to listen to that, and that is what they see, guys. So that may be the reason for some minor problems in this relationship, and maybe in your career situation also, Gemini. You need to avoid some problematic situation, guys. Maybe if you have people coming out opposing your ideas or suggestions, you must wait, you must not react impulsively. So that is going to land you in more difficult circumstances in your career. So you need to be really careful when you are voicing out your ideas and suggestions, and you must give up your stubbornness, guys, once in a way. That is going to make things more harmonious and peaceful and balanced in your career situation, guys. So that is what I see, Gemini, with these cards. That is the reading. So I see stubbornness and rigidity the reason for troubles in your life today, Gemini. So if you are willing to understand and adjust people in your life, you are going to see harmony and balance very soon, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says juniper tree, deception. So in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your relationship for some of you, or it may be in your life, maybe in your general circumstances. You are carrying some burden on your shoulder and it is not your problem, it is not your responsibility, and this responsibility lies with another person, but you are thinking that it is your fault and it is your duty to do certain things. But you must let go of that, guys. Let go of that responsibility for that situation. And you should not think and feel sad about something happening around you, or it may be this circumstance, and you are thinking that it is all your mistake and your fault. But you need to understand that you are a person with a beautiful heart, a helping, kind nature. That may be the reason you feel this way. And you feel that, or you must have lost someone really close to you. And this separation is the reason for sadness. And maybe you feel that it is your fault that this person has left you, and the separation is your fault, your mistake, and you are the one responsible for that. But you should not lose hope, guys. Maybe there is a third party involved, that may be the reason for this separation. So you need to do the right thing, and the person who has left you will return to you. So you should not be impulsive today, and whatever kindness and compassion you have in your heart, or whatever you have shown to others, will come back to you multifold, and you are getting a second chance today, guys, at this love. Maybe you should not lose hope. That is what I mean with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, it says happiness. So with this card, guys, it just means that in our day-to-day life, we are often see so much stress in our life. We are worried all the time, and we forget that happiness comes from within us. So with this card, we are just asked to see the simple things that bring happiness to our life. Live each moment and fully experience the present moment. So simple things, just seeing a butterfly fluttering around, or just a dog wagging its tail, whatever it is, all that is going to bring us happiness. So even at times when we are sad and stressed, the small things that bring us happiness when we see that, when we are aware of that, we feel uplifted and we'll begin to see happiness in all the areas of our life, guys. And the same way, when we put a smile on someone's face with a simple act of kindness, when we just smile, or a simple smile maybe to a stranger, it will bring a moment of joy to them, guys, and it will bring a great difference in their life. It will simply inspire them to be more happy and confident. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we need to be happy today. Maybe we see a lot of stress and sadness in our circumstances, but no matter what our circumstances are, guys, when we are happy, happiness attracts more happiness. So we'll be more happy and successful in our life if we feel that joy and bliss through the simple things that we see around us. Maybe simple things in nature or in our surroundings. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.